Oh my gosh, my eyes. I'm wearing red contact lenses, so it's a little pink. Supposedly, parang siyang pink na purple. Si Kinilo, shout out. Brihanna, hello. Click the button to open up the interface. Let me open this up. Kawaii! Kawaii! Si Pompa! Gumpom as a raccoon! That's so cute! It looks so cute! Okay, past mission resource. I don't want to delete the other files. Parang lahat ng Hi Page 1. Not that, it's just that I love playing games. I don't need to like, you don't need to ask me to play a game. I just play it because I have fun playing it. And siguro when your passion and the things you like align, I think blessings just happen. The other day, someone was saying na parang luck is preparation and opportunity aligning. So, sabi ko nga parang nagkataon lang na I'm super lucky because for a very long time we were super prepared with a lot of skills. Pero for the longest time, there wasn't any opportunities yet. Like, if you think, guys, when I was very young, I started cosplaying. Even back then, nagsimula na ako, like, gumawa ng costumes, work with a lot of people. Pero back then, there was not many opportunities. Like, yung mga binibigay sa aming reward was toys, gift credits, ganun. After ko mag-cosplay, may bibigay lang sa amin. As in, abono ka pa talaga. But it just so happened na these days, naging grabe na yung appreciation talaga for people who play games, who cosplay. So I think I'm just very blessed na nagkaroon ng... I mean, a lot of people also share the same passion. So I'm just so grateful na nagkaroon ng opportunity to share that love with other people. I am lost. Wait, what? Nasaan na ako? Ito. Nag-Zoro ako dun, guys, ah. Na-Zoro ako dun, ah. So, here. Left side hallway. Diretso. Na-Zoro ako, guys. Lost ako. Pusang gala. Ito pala yung quest ko. Ikaw rin po ba yung naglalaro kagabi? Sabi ni Kinilaw. Yeah, I was playing yesterday.
Next class is...
But I wasn't feeling so well yesterday, guys. I had a slight fever. Alam niyo ba, kailangan talaga, guys, parang dahil yung weather these days, hindi maganda yung weather these days eh. Parang mainit na malamig. Parang prone lahat ng tao na, sa lagnat. Sabi ng Japanese viewer natin, ilang araw po ako umiiyak kasi hindi kita nakita nung pumunta ka here sa Japan. Oh my gosh, really? Are you a fan? Wala, kawawa naman. Hi, Ichiban1426. Thank you so much and I'm so sorry. Yes, kasi nung pumunta ako ng Japan, I didn't really have like an event of my own. I just went there to support the red carpet event. Hala, oh my gosh, don't be sad. Hopefully, in my next events in Japan, magkita tayo. Don't be sad, don't be sad. We're gonna head here. Ilang hours po kayo nagpe-prep bago mag-live? So today, I started preparing maybe 11 a.m. Pero it's because nag-shoot pa ako ng mga videos. So in the morning, I do my preparations. That's why I don't reply as much to people in the morning. Kasi I have this thing where... Wait, where am I supposed to go? Here, right? I have this thing na hindi ako nakaka-multitask, guys. Am I the only one who has that problem? I can't multitask. I grew up na hindi talaga ako magaling mag-multitask. Like, when I'm focused on one thing, that's all that I'm gonna do for the next